If computers were schools, the operating system would be that one strict but efficient prefect. The person who somehow knows where every student should be, who should sit, who should wait outside, and who should stop shouting in the corridor. Every device you use has this prefect. Phones, Android or OS, PC, Windows, macOS or Linux, smartwatches, Wear OS, Smart TV, Web OS, Tizen, Fire OS. Yet most of us use them every day without stopping to ask the big question: what exactly does an operating system do? And honestly, if someone asked me this a year ago, I would have said something unhelpful like a assist app. But let's break it down properly. An OS is the middleman between you, your apps, and the hardware inside the device. Think of the OS as a campus coordinator. E equals to the students asking for stuff, apps equals to the teachers with endless demands, hardware equals to the classrooms, chairs, projectors. OS, the one making sure nobody drags a chair from chemistry to economics and causes chaos. Without an OS, your device is basically a box of expensive parts staring at you like, I have no idea what you want me to do. The 4 basic jobs of an OS. It has plenty of responsibilities, but these 4 are the core pillars. 1. Managing hardware. You click a video, the OS talks to the CPU, tells the RAM to get ready, asks the GPU to draw the frames, and coordinates everything so the audio doesn't come in late like a student sneaking into 8 AM class. Whenever your laptop suddenly sounds like it's preparing for liftoff, that's the OS trying to keep everything under control. 2. Managing files. Every photo, assignment, app, the OS decides where it's stored, how it's named, how it's retrieved, how not to accidentally delete your whole life. When you find an old photo you don't remember taking, thank your OS for not losing it. 3. Managing apps. Opening apps, closing apps, switching apps. We always make sure they don't fight over resources like siblings arguing over who gets the charger. Apps don't talk to the hardware directly. They ask the OS like, please, can you help me use the camera? Please, can I get some RAM? OS, one at a time, I beg. 4. Managing you, the user. Buttons, taps, gestures, the OS interprets everything. You swipe up, OS, open task manager. You tap the screen too hard, OS, relax, I got the message. Not all OSs are built the same, let's break them down simply. 1. Windows, the everyone knows me OS. Very flexible, works on many devices, and runs most apps. Great for students, office work, gaming, people who love customizing. 2. Mac OS, smooth, controlled, stable. Feels like everything was arranged with a ruler. Great for creators, designers, people who like when their laptop behaves gently. 3. Linux, the I'll fix it myself OS. Open source, powerful, customizable, great for programmers, servers, hackers and movies who type fast for no reason. Linux has many flavors. Ubuntu, Fedora, Mint, Arch for people who enjoy stress voluntarily. 4. Android, runs on phones, tablets, TVs, customizable, open, friendly to developers. 5. iOS, very smooth, secure, closed ecosystem. Everything just works. Apps behave like they all attend the same private school. 6. Special OSs, Smart TV OS, Car OS like Android Auto, Watch OS, embedded OS in microwaves, elevators, ATMs. They all run simplified fashions because the devices don't need TikTok, they just need to do one job well. Here's the daily routine of an OS. The point you do something, app sends requests, OS checks permissions, OS allocates CPU, RAM, storage or camera, hardware executes this, OS cleans up. This is happening hundreds of times per second, quietly, smoothly, invisibly, like a backend worker doing everything while you take the credit. The operating system equals to the manager that connects to your apps and hardware. Without it, nothing works. With it, everything feels smooth. And the funny part, the OS works so well we forget it exists, which is probably the highest compliment in tech.